Hey everyone, this is Marjory from the Grow Network, Marjory Wildcraft. And I told you in my last video about how I was gonna do some guerrilla gardening because my Airbnb is too shady and I want to be growing food. And here I am, and this is the entrance to the public walkway to the beach. And I'm gonna pan around here and you can see that over there is, just the street and the neighborhood and stuff. So this is kind of a cool little pathway. And yeah, come join me and I'll show you what I'm doing on this patch. Okay, let me stop for a minute. I'm going to try to be more sensitive to all the feedback and comments that I've got that people say, Marjory, you're walking around barefoot. That could possibly kill you. So stop. We're going to rewind. And just for all the sensitive tenderfoots out there, watch this. Actually, it's kind of cool. I feel like a motorcycle cop wearing these boots, like, please show me your garden to license. Anyway, there's one thing I just can't help myself. I've really got to get to work on the patch here pretty soon. But just as where I set the tripod and the camera up here, I happen to notice right next to me, and I'm going to get the camera down and show you this, but I found a wild legume plant. So right here where I have the tripod set up, this little flower right here is just absolutely a pea flower. They're really, really, once you've seen them, you really can identify them. They're pretty easy to recognize. And then also, of course, you have the classic pea leaf shape. Now, normally in the wild, leaves a 3, leave it be, because you got poison ivy, but this is clearly not poison ivy. And then if I follow the stem up, you'll see here are actually the little bean pods that are coming on. So, ooh, this is very exciting. So, by the way, the legume family is, pretty much they're all edible. And there's not really any toxic plants in that family. There's some species that are going to make you get a little bit of a tummy ache, but you're not really going to hurt yourself by ever eating peas, so wild peas. So anyway, I'm gonna head on to the patch, but I just couldn't help myself seeing this sweet little plant. I'm here at the plot, and unfortunately the sunlight and all that is not showing it so well. But the first thing I did is I cleared out the grass from an area. Let me see if I can get this to show. It's about maybe 6 feet by 8 feet, or 4 feet by 8 feet. No, 6 feet by 8 feet, or 8 feet by 10 feet. And I pulled out all the grass. And then the ground has been fairly compacted, so I'll show you what I've been doing to get the ground loosened up. Well, actually, the dirt you're seeing here, I've actually been working on that for a week, so it's actually way softer now than when I first started. And it's hard work, I'm not going to lie. The way I handle that is, and I can't do a lot of time out here, it's hot, but I like to come early in the morning and I'll do 10 or 15 minutes and spend some time out here. That's about what my physical ability is now. The pickaxe is heavy. And while I'm here, I have to confess, I'm thinking, I've got a son who's like going to be 21 in a month, all muscly and everything. And I'm thinking, hey, Ryan, you want to come out to a trip to Puerto Rico? And he'll be thinking surfing and beach. And then when he gets here, I'll hand him the pickaxe. Mommy clickbait. I know you've never done that, right? Anyway, just hang with me. I've got more. I want to show you the most important thing about this plot in the next video, and hopefully it's a question you're already asking yourself, but check back with me as soon as I get some more time. I'm going to shoot another one of these and I'll give you an update on the Guerrilla garden in Puerto Rico. Talk to you later. Bye.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. Get our free guide to simple and effective homemade fertilizers at freefertilizers.com.